Hi everyone, welcome to another Autodesk screencast by Zana Ta of Repo Products. This screencast will showcase how to create a fire protection system, especially sprinkler head system, within Revit 2017. If you like this video and would like to see more, please search for Zana Ta or VAR2016. Thanks for watching. Here I am in Autodesk Revit 2017. I have a ceiling that's drawn a generic 1 2x4 set at 8 feet high, and I've got some sprinkler heads here that I've already placed, and these are sprinkler pendant hosted half-inch pendant. If I head over to the Systems tab of the ribbon, you'll see under Plumbing and Piping the sprinkler command. This is the command that you use to place those objects. Once those objects have been placed, you can select them, and you can click Create a Piping System from the contextual tab called Modify Sprinklers. Once you initiate the command, it'll ask you what kind of system that you are creating and what the name is going to be. You can click OK, and then you can click Edit the System to get into the system. You can add to the system other objects that make up that system. And if you have equipment that you can tie back to those sprinkler heads, then you can select them from the list or physically select them. I haven't drawn any, so I'm going to leave that alone. And we'll click Finish Editing the System. And now once that system definition has been created properly, we can select one of the sprinkler heads. When we select one of the sprinkler heads, we can click Generate Layout. And again, this is very similar to the other systems that we've looked at, where you can specify a slope, you can specify a base, and you can go into the solutions and pick from the different choices. For network, you have 5 possible solutions. So you kind of try to pick the one that makes the most logical sense. If you need to, you can look at this in 3D as well. If you don't like that, you can go back to solutions and you can try perimeter and see if there's something you like. Or you can go to intersection and look for something you like. I think this will be okay. If you need to, you can go to the settings of that solution type, and again, you can specify the pipe type that's being used for the main and the branch and what their offset heights are. The ceiling is at 8, so this is set to a defaulting of 9. If we need to, we can go higher, but I think that's okay for now. So we'll just click OK, and then we'll click Finish Layout. It'll go ahead and generate the layout, and depending on your level of detail, coarse or medium, this is what you'll see. If you switch to fine, this is what you'll see. If you need to, you can again tab into the series of pipes and you can adjust the sizing, if you will. So for example, I'll pick one of these and switch it to 3 inches so you can see the difference. Now, depending on how you built it and when you built it in the sequence of you building it, so let's back up a little bit. When I place that base, I can modify that base. And right now it's set to 6-inch diameter. Let's set it to a 2-inch. And we'll hit Finish. And now you'll notice it gets created. We'll switch it to Fine. And now you can see all the sizes have been adjusted. So sometimes it's easier to adjust this way. Sometimes it's easier to select everything and adjust it. Sometimes you can't select everything. And sometimes if you can select certain objects, you can, size it based upon certain conditions. So this is how you create a simple fire sprinkler suppression system within Revit 2017. Thank you very much for watching.